Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2004 Honda GOLDWING 1800 with 12,536 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with an auxiliary fuel tank, TRIKE kit, an aftermarket exhaust, and comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, multifunction 2-speaker audio system, reverse and electronic suspension, and an intercom. A titan of the metric touring class, the GOLDWING doles out impressive power while being one of the most comfortable motorcycles on the road for over 3 decades. Powered by an 1832cc 6-cylinder engine, the GOLDWING puts 118 horsepower and 120 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 799 pounds and has a 29.1-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.